Hi everyone. So I wanted to talk you guys through this worksheet that I was having you guys do this week. Okay, this is the one that says hidden story on it. Okay, basically the same thing as all the other worksheets. You are trying to find the note names for the notes. Okay, now a lot of these notes, as you guys see, are different rhythms, and now the rhythm does not change what the note name is. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll back up here. I'm going to scroll up to our information sheet, okay, which you guys should all have, okay? This is going to be very, very helpful for you. We have our line notes right here. Every good boy deserves fruit. We've done some other ones for those. We've done every good boy does fine. Every good boy deserves fudge. Every great Buckeye deserves fans. We've done a few different ones for that, okay? But that's basically the gist of it, is that it should always be E, G, B, D, F. Another way that you guys can think through these notes is by the numbers, okay? Trying to find, okay, if it's on a line, is it on 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Every good boy deserves fruit, okay? And then the same with our spaces down here, F, A, C, E, which spells face, okay? And the same thing you can think about that. There's 4 spaces, so thinking through how to spell face, F, A, C, E, and determining what the note is based on those spaces, okay? So I'm gonna scroll back down here to hidden story, okay? And I'm just gonna walk you through these first few notes here, okay? So this first one here, we see, first thing we have to discover is it a space note or is it a line note? So we can see by this, it is a space note because it's in between the lines, okay? A line note has the line going through the note, and a space note is in between them, okay? And we see that this is on the second space, okay? So we think through face again, F, A, C, E, second space, which would be A. So this one would be A right here, okay? If we go up to this next one right here, we see this is another space note, okay? So again, thinking through face, F, A, C, E, we see this one is more towards the top. 1, 2, 3, fourth space. So that would make it E, okay? Top space there, that would be E. All right, this next one right here, we see that's a line note because we see the line is going through the note, okay? So we want to count up the lines first. 1, 2, 3. It's on the third line, okay? So again, thinking through every good boy deserves fruit. I want the third one. So every good boy, B. So this one is going to be B. All right, and you would put a B right here. All right, this next one is a little tricky, and I'm actually going to scroll back up to the information sheet here because that note, I'll scroll back down for a second, that's not really in the staff. It's kind of above it, okay? Now, we have learned this note before. So if we go back over here, you see it's not on one of our line notes, and it's not really on any of our space notes either. So that is also why we need to look down here to all of the notes that we know, okay? And this one's at the very top, this note right here, A. It is above the staff and it has a line going through it. It's not really touching the staff at all, okay? So I'm gonna scroll back down. So again, it's this note right here, and this is A. This is the highest note that we know at the moment, okay? So A is right there. All right, this next one we have already done. Okay, so again, kind of thinking through, is it a line note or a space note? Okay, and what number line or space is it on? Okay, so I'm going to kind of leave that one for you guys to do. This one, again, we have also just done. Okay, again, thinking through, is it a line note or a space note? What number line or space is it on? And I'll let you guys do that one. Same with this one. All right, I'm gonna do this one next, okay? This will be I'll end with this one, and you guys can figure out the rest of the worksheet, okay? This one right here, again, a space note because we see it's in between the lines. Okay, so let's count up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's on the third space. Thinking through F, A, C, E. Well, F, A, C. C. That would make it C. And you're going to write C right there, okay? And that name is kind of hard to say. It's Johann Sebastian Bach. So this story is about this guy, okay? And you guys are probably, as you find out the letters, you can probably figure out what it is about him. So that is what I want you guys to try to do this week. Just try your best and see what you guys can find out. Thank you so much, guys.